Nagabinta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay phi baru kinigilong ki khubor bam tagasni. Ka kanhun menteri ka Sorkar Jilla ha ka junyalam u konrad ki sangma min ha ka khasan trik u kala lingkon arha jar arpsan. Kala wanrah ka jingpen kala ya katu ka neki kendon but menjur da ka kanhun menteri bat ki matray kam kum ka Art and Heritage Award Meghalaya School Service Rules 2025 ka State Rules. Ya katay la pentip do konrad ki sangma hadian ka jinyalang kanhun menteri ha office secretariat. Na ka office menteri rangba haba ay shakilat pashay uyatho ka cabinet klashim ka jing menjur ki kendon banthau batshna na ka benta ka Art and Heritage Award kala tirwa ban ay kusnam shakibriu ki badon benta ha ki kamshnadur. Ki ban kentup ki benta bapher na do ka performing arts hadu ka jing rai tin rai ka shat tin rai ki skit tin rai bat ka theater ka jing traik ti bat ki we considered ka committee ka ban khli do chief secretary bat ki we ki khot nagatnat arts and culture ki ban sajiet ki briu ka bala ban le da ka bashujiet bat ru da ka bashu apply ki badai hok ban yo khusnam ya ka ban sale manna usnem ka kinhun menteri ka Sorkar Jilla ha ka sngi balang kala menjur ya ka jing terwa kawai ka kendon bala menjur ya ka Meghalaya School Service Rules ya ka ningilale na marhaki Service Rules bala len kalat ban kentiu kerdan kaduna bha haba phai shiki Nonghikai LP bat ki assistant teacher bat ki jusa akut ha ka ju ka kerdan bun snem bat long persha ya ka ei ka baki weipat ki Nonghikai ha katanat puli puthi ki yo kumta hadin ka jingya slok bar ki kenhun bapher katanat kalapan kala ya ka rules bar ka ne kan plilenti ya kalat ki ukurdan jong ki Nonghikai LP sa gawi ka jing menjur ka dei ban thau ya ka state rules ka ban te kendon ya ka jing siu ba ya dei bar ka bai pha le tes ya ki case bapher hapo ka Directorate of Forensic Science ka bahab ha katanat kampo ye
decision was for the approval of the Meghalaya School Service Rules 2025. This basically has been done because in the past service rules there was very less scope for promotion when it came to the LP school teachers and assistant teachers, and they would be stuck in a certain position for many years, and there were limited scope for promotion, which also created a bit of conflict between different sections in the education department. And hence, after deep consultation with different associations, the education department has today amended the rules. As I said, this is the Meghalaya School Service Rules 2025, and this is going to pave way for a better scope of promotion when it comes to government LP school teachers. Cabinet today approved the awards for the Meghalaya Day Awards. This we will be sending the information to you at a later stage. I'll just confirm this one. I'll just keep this pending for a few minutes. Decision that was taken today was in terms of was for the framing of the state rules to regulate the payment of analysis fees for examination of various cases, exhibits, articles in the Directorate of Forensic Science under Home Department. This is done because many a times the fact that we have a forensic lab right now, which is state of the art, we are getting requests from different agencies, some government, some private, as well as other states, and hence we don't have a system to actually classify these requests and also charge them as per the fees that is required. So we have today just cleared on the basis of the proposals that have come in to have classifications for agencies that are that of government of Meghalaya. So there's a class A, class B, class C, class D. So Class A includes the government of Meghalaya. Class B includes agencies in Meghalaya but not under the administration of the government of Meghalaya. Class C includes agencies not under the territorial jurisdiction or administration of Meghalaya. And Class D shall include all other private agencies. So this was just a continuation and smooth lining of the entire working process of the Directorate of Forensic Science under the Home Police Department.